American, Saimai here, and today we are looking at apartments in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Specifically, we are looking at mid-range, two-bedroom apartments. All of these apartments that you see, and there will be 4 of them, are going to range from $650 to $800 per month. So come with us and just see what we have available in Phnom Penh for that price range.
Yeah.
Our first apartment is right in the middle of BKK1, and this is what it looks like. This apartment is called Gold 1 Apartment. It is 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and $800 per month, and the electricity is 25 cents per kilowatt hour. You can see that the kitchen is small, but the refrigerator is absolutely huge by Asian standards. You're looking at what I would call an American-sized refrigerator, which, by the way, Saimai just loved. The living room is small, but comfortable, and you've got an area out here for drying clothes and whatnot, and a balcony with quite a nice view. A nice view of BKK1. And here's the living room from the other angle. Cozy. Going to the left, you can see the 2 bedrooms, and this is one right here. Not huge, but just big enough. It's got a king-size bed, a little desk, and a little bit of storage. In the middle, you've got 1 bathroom. It's smallish, but has everything that you need. And then you've got the master bedroom with a couple of good-sized closets and a king-size bed. Incidentally, Gold 1 is one of the first generation of apartment buildings in Phnom Penh, and so as a result, they're renovating a lot of these first generation buildings, including the pool, which they say will be completely done within the next month. Our next apartment is not a service condominium, but a renovated old-style building that is in the Wat Phnom area, which is not far from the Riverside. Here you can see what the entrance looks like, or did look like a long time ago, and if you take a look at the next picture, you can see that today it has changed a little bit, but it's still the same building. And the way you get in is through this door right here, and this is just up on the 2nd floor. Look at that nice staircase. So this particular apartment is again in the Wat Phnom area. It is $750 per month with 18 cents per hour of electricity, which is just the standard city rate. Now, this place has balconies on 2 different floors here, and you get a little view of the neighborhood. I didn't think the neighborhood was that great, but boy, I have to say this apartment is charming. So you have this nice living room here on this duplex, tons of old cool wooden shutters, really big nice kitchen. I love the kitchen. Gas burners, which are the best, what in Asia would be considered a full-size refrigerator, and I guess you would call this technically a full bath along with your washing machine next to the kitchen. Very convenient. Big 6-person dining table, and then we go up the stairs of this unique and charming apartment. And here we are at the top. Look at those nice old tiles. And you've got a very bright, very big and spacious bedroom with plenty of closet space and little nightstands. The ceilings are very high, even on the upper floor here, and I would say that it's no less than 5 meters and possibly higher. You go through the charming wooden French doors, and you have an even better view of your neighborhood, including the new temple that they're building over there. More wonderful wooden shutters. back through the bright and airy bedroom. And across the hall into the second bedroom, which, if all the shutters were opened, would again be quite bright and airy. And you've got a little closet right here. You can store some stuff and a desk. And then finally you have your upstairs bathroom with a big sink and quite a modern rain style shower. We head on back downstairs, and here's Saimai and William just sitting down imagining what it would be like to live there. A very cool and unique apartment. It's always nice to see places like this available for rent. Our third place is called Olympia and is not on the map, so you would look for Carita, Switzerland in order to find it. And this is another older style apartment that has been renovated, and this is what it looks like from Google Street View. And there's the address. So you walk in to Olympia apartment. It is 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Only $700 per month, and the electricity is 30 cents per kilowatt hour. So the electricity is high, but for BKK1 the rent is low. You get these lovely double doors, and you get a nice spacious balcony, plenty of room for chairs and a little table maybe. You've got some nice views, and the nice woodwork is here too. Just off of the living room is the master bedroom. Plenty of windows. It's a corner unit, king size bed, and then there's a bathroom right there off of the master bedroom. No gimbal for this one. Sorry for the shaky cam. Got nice storage here next to the little table and a decent sized kitchen. The problem is that there was a lot of effervescence and water staining. I think that there were some maintenance issues here. Finally, to wrap up, here's the second bedroom and the second bathroom. This last and least expensive apartment is also not a condominium building. It is a renovated apartment in Daun Penh, the old part of town, which is my favorite part of town. You can see on Street View from about 10 years ago, this is what the area looked like. And actually, the area looks almost exactly the same right now. It hasn't really changed at all, which is great. This is what the entrance looks like. It's a shop house. And there on the left, those stairs up are how you go. For this heavily renovated Daun Penh apartment, you're going to have 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths for only $650 per month, and the electric is the city rate at 18 cents per kilowatt hour. Now this place has been transformed into kind of like a duplex with an unusual layout, huge dining area, and then you have this little balcony with the bars because it's only on the second floor, which the Khmers call the first floor. You don't want anyone climbing in there. And you have the nice brick on the walls, and you can see again the space under here for eating. Then you take the steps up. This will take you to the first bedroom and also the rest of the apartment. Now in this first bedroom, the ceilings are a little bit low, but you can stand up without hitting your head. It's got a king bed, some closets, and a little bathroom that's right there. Going to the edge of the bedroom, you can look out over the living room, so it gives you kind of like a duplex look. And there's a pretty big fan there so that you don't have to spend all your money on air conditioning if you can tolerate just a little bit of warmth. Going out of the bedroom, You actually go up further, and right above, you've really got to watch out right here, because you can really knock your head. You can see there's some padding there. Like I said, the layout's a little bit unusual, but that makes it interesting to me. And so you've got a long hallway here. On the right, you've got a full bathroom with unlimited hot water, which is fantastic. Not found as often in Phnom Penh as I would like. Nice decoration. And then you've got basically a huge storage space where you can put really anything that you want. Just a giant shoe rack and a ladder back there. And then you've got the master bedroom, which is really cool. This neat sunken bathroom with the real wood floors. And you've got the tree out there and a nice big window. And then you turn around and you can see the brick. I just think it's a really classy bedroom, personally. Whoever decorated this place, I think, had some good sense. It's not over decorated. You have plenty of room for your stuff. So if you can handle, the strange foibles of a place like this, it could make a really nice, really central location. I don't know where you'd park your motorcycle, though. I don't think there's any place for that. And then watch your head coming downstairs there. And don't fall down the stairs. Maybe it wouldn't be the best place for little kids, but for a couple of adults, it'd be perfect. Again, you've got the huge kitchen, cooking, dining area. There you can see the washing machine. And finally, there's your bathroom. So a really cool, very unique place. Well, that was our 4 2-bedroom apartments in the $650 to $800 range. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, like and subscribe. And we have a lot more of these apartment videos for you to enjoy. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.